Yeah, for sure.
I think send it to everyone if
Yeah.
possible.
Whoever you want. I
I'll
mean,
probably
Shelly,
end up just having to put it on YouTube again, and then I'll send you guys the link.
that would be
Okay.
great.
Okay.
I'm appreciative for the warning this time.
Yeah, my bad. If it makes you feel any better, like I don't have a popular YouTube channel. Like I only have like schoolwork on there, so no one's really gonna watch it besides us. So
All right.
I think like
Let me
3 or
just
4
charge
people
my
watched our
computer.
last video. Like it was really small.
1 second, let me just charge my computer. So Steph, we were talking about problem number 15 on section 7.4.
On 7.4.
Yes.
Oh, perfect.
So that's what my screen is showing right now. And that's the normal approximation of the binomial distribution.
Mhm.
So you know how for the binomial distribution they never gave us they would always give us the mean.
Uh-huh.
Or no, sorry. They never gave us the mean. We had to calculate it. For the normal distribution, they did give us the mean. But for the binomial distribution, the mean is NP times 1 minus P, and the standard deviation is the square root of NP times 1 minus P.
Okay. I totally thought it was just NP. So let me change that on mine really quick.
It's not always that, but for the normal approximation of it, it is.
Okay.
So I wouldn't go back and change any of your previous notes because you got the correct answer using those notes.
Wait, this is 7.4? We didn't do 7.4.
That's what he gave us. He gave us, I know he gave us 9 and 15 and 7.4.
Oh, never mind. I'm tripping. Sorry, guys. It's just, my brain's
We
not
didn't
fully
do,
functioning yet.
it's okay. We didn't do 7.3. He skipped that.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So, we're just plugging in the numbers, right?
Yeah. So first we had to check that that NP times 1 minus P was greater than 10. Okay? So if that does work, then the problem is valid, you know? But honestly, knowing our professor, he might give you one that's less than 10, you know?
Yeah.
Just
Again,
knowing the way he thinks. Like,
yeah.
he might give you one that's less than 10, and you could be like, okay, well, this can't be, like, normally approximated, you know?
Okay.
Okay, so plugging in the numbers, we would get like mean equals 60 times 0.4 times 0.6, because that's 1 minus 0.4. And you got 14.4 for that one already.
Mhm.
And then the standard deviation is just the square root of that. Oops. Okay, so what did we get for the standard deviation?
Oh shoot, my calculator's up.
Please hold. 3.79.
Yes.
Yeah.
Do we have to round to you said the hundredths?
You didn't really specify for this part.
Okay.
I would just, like, generally, I would keep a lot of decimal places, especially for section 7, or I forgot which section it is, but for the one where you have a problem where you're required to add several probabilities.
Mm-hmm.
I would
Just-
keep a lot of decimal places for that one because rounding does matter. Like,
Okay.
I know the book rounds to the nearest hundredth, but they use a calculator, you know.
Oh,
They
okay.
use a software called StatCrunch.
Got it.
So they're
So it's-
already accurate, you know.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Why does that seem so easy as you do it? But when I look at it, I'm like, where do I begin?
So, I mean, maybe begin by like understanding what the question is asking. So, determine whether using the binomial, compute P of X using the binomial probability formula. Then determine whether the normal distribution can be used as an approximation. How do we determine that? If NP times 1 minus P is greater than or equal to 10. So we've already determined that. If so, approximate P of X and compare the result to the exact probability.
Okay, I'm writing little notes next to it. So when I see determine approximation, I'll know what I'm looking to do.
What if it's not greater than 10?
You
If
can't
it's
do
not
anything?
greater than 10, then you cannot use the normal approximation of the binomial distribution.
So then
So-
you just tell him, like you just say it's less than 10
Yes.
and you cannot use this. Okay.
Because so you have like two different types of distributions so far, the normal distribution and the binomial distribution. They look really similar, but
Can you just for like so I can write them, can you write them out? Does that
Write
make
what?
sense? Like
Oh.
what's the difference so that I can
Sure.
put them normal
Okay.
and then binomial?
Okay, so two types of distributions. Normal and binomial. Oh my. So they are different. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
They both, so the normal distribution looks like a bell curve. Oh. So this is the normal distribution. I'll just draw it over here.
Let me just move your picture.
So it looks a little flat, you know?
Okay.
And then the binomial distribution is slightly more sloping, I guess. So it looks like this, you know. It's tighter, if you will.
Okay.
But the problem with the binomial distribution, for example, like this is a real life problem. For example, in my research lab, we specifically stick to experiments that we know will come out normal. If we know or we can guess that they're going to come out binomial, like we avoid those
I
because
wouldn't blame you.
no, it's not because of the difficulty of the math. It's because the binomial distribution is not the standard method like that's used worldwide, you know? But it's
Okay.
still a valid statistical distribution. You just want to approximate it normally when you can. So this is what
Yes.
this section is about.
Okay. Excuse me.
So we're always going to get something greater than 10 then?
You
Well,
might not.
Unless he tricks us.
Yeah, he might go like n equals 1, p equals 0.1.
Oh, Lord.
You know, so it's obviously not greater than 10 in that case. So you would say no, this distribution cannot be normally approximated.
Okay. Now, for number 9,
I'm
if we
still
kind of
I'm still
confused on
trying
that
to
one.
yeah.
Yeah.
So Steph, do you have anything? Because I know last time you had like an epiphany. Do you have anything to say for number 9?
Can you put up the problem again? Because I wrote it down,
Yeah.
but I was so tired by this point that I just didn't even bother. Like my
So
brain was fried.
can I erase?
Yes, yeah. I wrote that down just for my own, like,
And that's
so
a
I could
good
see it.
that's a good point to keep in mind, because then you'll know like what the question is asking.
So
the question
binomial is when you put the 1 minus p, right?
yeah. Yeah, that's the binomial.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so this is number 9. Oh, sorry. We have to find the area under the normal curve.
At least 5 defective items in a shipment, right? Yeah, no, I have no idea.
Yeah, because they did not give us the mean and the standard deviation. Hold on,
Yeah.
I'm
Like
gonna try looking it up.
they gave us
Okay.
X and that's pretty much it.
That's it. Yeah.
That's pretty smart.
Do you subscribe to Chegg Answers?
No, it's too expensive for me.
No, I would have gotten it had I known it would help me.
Yeah, so here's the thing. In every class in UCR, there's probably like Chegg will probably help you. But at the same time, I don't want to like rely too much on it.
Yes, you want to know what you're doing.
Yeah.
I know.
So when I really, really need it, like I'll ask one of my friends,
Yeah.
Okay. The probability that the number of people with O negative blood is between, okay. Oh, that's the question. Oh, okay.
Wait, I think the answers were below it though.
No, they were not. We can go back to it. See, those were other questions, and it said view solution.
Oh.
This is like a page of our textbook, but what is okay? Oh, they didn't even answer that one.
Oh no.
Wow.
I have Chegg Answers. I'm looking at it right now.
Oh, you have Chegg?
Yeah.
It's that one. It's this. It's your third search result. So if you want to share your screen, you can.
Okay.
Here, I'll stop sharing for a while. Okay, so
So you just, oh my gosh, you just
That's all we do.
go a little bit 17.5 and then 24. That's all you do?
wait,
There's
1 second.
no,
Let's see the rest of, okay, the probability that the number of people with,
I think I kind of get it. Can you show the actual problem again?
Oh, so it's not even, they're not even asking for the actual area under the normal curve. It just said is approximately area under the normal curve between X.
Exactly.
I thought they wanted an actual answer. Okay, wow.
Yeah, because it says compute the probability of finding at least 5 defective shipment items in a shipment. So he did something like that, but he didn't describe it very well.
Yeah, but I
remember
thought
the
they wanted
professor-
like an actual probability, you know, like
Yeah.
something like a percentage, you know? Uh,
Well,
all right.
that was silly.
All right then. Thank you, Alex.
Yeah.
Oh
I
my gosh, I
have
was
to say
racking
I'm
my
disappointed in
brain.
myself for not getting that.
Well,
I
I was like,
overthought it.
Well, the way
I
that they like set it up was really weird too.
yeah, I guess like I remember him doing that as well, but he didn't kind of explain it. So I just thought, oh, we have to do something with it.
Yeah, because even in the question, it said if you want to find the probability of at least 5, you use X, you use the probability under the normal curve
Oh my
of
gosh.
X equals. So is that the answer? Hold on, I'm
Yeah,
curious.
it is
Is
the
that
answer
the
because
answer? Yeah, it said area under the normal curve between X equals 17.5 and X equals 24.5.
wow, okay.
I'm so bummed. Okay.
And that said, he said one of these will be on the test. I mean, or they
One
both
of
could
these,
very well. Or
I'm
they very,
honestly hoping it's 9 because we literally have to do no math.
or they may very well both be. Like he said, 10 out of the study guide, 10 out of the 20 will be on there.
I think he's
So
just
why
gonna get one because
17.7?
didn't you?
I'm
Oh, sorry. Go ahead.
Why 17.5?
Oh, because it's 18, so you go half. Like you're not at 18. Is that right? That's
So
the way
like,
he
look at the
explained it.
example. Yeah, if it says inclusive,
Uh-huh.
if it says inclusive, like here you want to find at least 5.
Mm-hmm.
So they, even in the example, they subtracted 0.5. Here, I'll highlight it. They subtracted 0.5 from 5. So they got to the right of X equals 4.5. So here, we don't want to find the area of anything, like of the right of anything or the left of anything.
Okay.
We just want to find the area between 18 and 24. So it would be, here, let me type it out. So 9, area under normal curve between 17.5 and 24.5. Does that make sense?
Yes. So any number he throws at us will be 0.5 below and 0.5 above.
Mm-hmm.
If
Yeah,
it's
that's
like
what I'm
2.
assuming.
Okay.
I
Also,
mean, yeah, go
I
ahead.
don't know if you guys looked at the study guide, but he said do example 9. And when I tried to do example 9, it was some strange like calculator thing. So I
Oh,
just did problem 9, and I think that's more likely what he would do.
I feel like that's what
example
he meant.
9.
Yeah,
Where's
he's
example 9?
example 9 and 6.1. He won't do it. There's no way. I think
Wait,
do
what page is
problem
that
9.
on?
Oh shoot. Let me see. Let me see.
I feel like he probably meant number 9.
I think he did too, but he said example, and I was like, that doesn't even.
Wait,
What is that?
number in what
In
section?
6.1. I just didn't want you to sit there and do it and be like, oh, I thought that would be on the top. Not that problem 9 is simple, and I feel like he'll do that one because it's something he had us do. I can't find it.
Okay, I have it. Oh shoot, I'm not sharing my screen. Wait, did you guys not see all of that?
Yeah, you are
No, I
sharing.
saw it. Yeah, you are.
Oh, yeah,
I
I'm
see it.
sharing my screen?
yeah.
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 Oh. For some reason it didn't show like the green square of around it, so I didn't like.
Oh,
Silly.
no. Okay, so like the example 9, it just doesn't even, it's on the calculator. It's not, we're not going to do that.
Maybe
So
number 9.
I think he meant
Oh,
number 9. So just like, I know I sent you the study guide, what we were supposed to do. So do problem
yeah.
9. It's more likely he'll have us do that. And that one was easy to compute. It's
Yeah,
just,
this is example 9.
yeah, we're not going to do that. I just wanted to let you know because I was doing it and I was like, oh, I sent it to you as well. So not example.
Okay. So, I
Okay,
mean,
that
this
one's
is
easy.
problem 9.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that one was easy to, you just
Okay.
compute and that one's fine. But chapter 9, I'm like, what?
Chapter 9?
Yes, please. Let me see what problems he wants us to.
Oh, I went too far.
Let's see. I did too.
Okay. I found 9.1.
Let me see what problem. 13 and 15 are the problems he wants.
In what section?
9.1.
Okay.
Sorry, I lost my paper.
13 and 15.
13 and 15, yeah. Let me make sure. I have all these papers everywhere.
Oh, a confidence interval.
Yes.
That's Steph. AP Stats. I'm so glad we finally have something from AP Stats again.
Yes, girl. Yes. I was like, this is just never gonna end. Like, I don't understand.
Okay, so do you know the formula for this?
Oh, Mikey's. I am looking for my papers because I have papers
Yeah, girl,
everywhere.
I have
Sorry.
to go back. We're on 9.1 now?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
What number?
Number 13 and
13.
15.
Let me just flip over a page because I haven't
Okay,
even
so
let you have any
13.
homework.
I don't know what the homework. Let me see. I don't know what the homework is. I think it's 4 problems for the homework.
Yeah.
Okay.
But
13,
but
15, and 25.
7, 13.
15.
I feel like 7 was
7,
easier to find.
you just have to use the table.
Yeah. So that is the kind of question he's giving us with the table. Okay. And then, but 13 and 15, he said would be on the test. So I was like, okay, I need to know how to do these. And I started and I got confused.
So the formula for the, all right, so there's 3 steps. First, you
Okay.
find p hat equals x over n.
Wait, actually, I just realized.
What?
Wait, so you said 13 and 15? Which one do you
Yes.
want to start with?
13 is fine.
Okay, so what is the formula for finding a point estimate?
Point.
So what I have from example 4 is just
Mhm.
there's the 3 steps. You find p hat equals x over n, but I don't know if you need to use this for this because that's how we find the upper and lower bound, and they already gave us upper and lower bound.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
That's
so there's another formula.
okay.
I just want you guys to screenshot it or write it down.
Okay.
Okay.
Let me, hold on. Let me move. Oh, shoot. Let me move your
This is
picture.
not it.
No.
What numbers do we have to do for 9.1?
13 and 15.
Oh,
We
that's
have
it?
to do 7. Oh, for the homework?
Yeah.
The homework's online, I think.
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
I think we have like 4 problems for for 9.1 and 9.2.
So that's a formula we need?
This is the formula for the margin of error, which they're asking us to use.
Okay.
Okay, so write this down because we're gonna need it for number 13. And then, so number 15, we already know. So this is the formula for number 15. How you find the lower bound, upper bound, and also so this is kind of similar to the probability or the normal distribution. Sorry, the normal approximation of the binomial distribution, because np hat times 1 minus p hat have to be greater than 10. Or the sample.
It has to be less than 5%, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, or it's not or, it's and.
Okay.
Yeah, and or the sample size has to be less 5% of the population size.
Okay, so for 13, we don't need the upper bound and lower bound because
Yeah,
we've
we
got
have
it.
that.
But which formula? We need the marginal error formula?
So determine the point estimate of the population proportion.
Margin of error.
Do they just want p hat? Does that mean p hat?
Yeah. They just want
Okay.
that and the margin of error.
Okay, so they want p hat and then e.
So where's the formula?
So do you want to
E?
find the
But how do we find p hat from this?
Have to divide lower bound plus upper bound divided by 2.
Oh,
Oh my gosh. I think because he did all of it together, and then when you break it up, I'm like, I don't know where to start when he like did one full swoop with the whole problem, and I think it confused me. I like your arrow. Okay, so what is this called? This is called
point of
So
estimate.
in order to find
Estimate.
like a point estimate
okay.
of the population proportion. So it's exactly like the halfway point between the upper bound and the lower bound, basically.
Okay.
I think that's like knowing that will make it easier.
Yeah. When you put it like that, it makes it a lot more simple.
Okay, so what do you get for this?
0.4865.
Yeah, I got 0.4855. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's p hat.
Now we need the margin error.
So we saw the formula for the margin of error.
Oh, we need to find Z, no?
On the notes, he didn't use the formula. Did he?
Oh, did he find the margin of error using the degrees of freedom?
No, he just did upper bound minus p hat.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Upper bound minus p hat. Okay. I mean, that seems logical because that will also result in a small margin of error I just don't know. Like, I've never seen that formula before.
Yeah.
Let's try it. Let's see if we get the same answer as the back of the book.
What's the answer?
I can find the answer right now. I have another PDF open.
I don't know if I did it right.
So in this case, if you use the formula that Alex just said, what do you get for margin of error?
Oh wait, what was the formula? I'm sorry.
This is it. Upper bound minus p hat.
Everything in the world is so loud today. It's like I can't hear anything you guys are saying. I have my window open. My parents have laundry going. Like, geez, y'all. Okay. So we're doing okay. I feel like he did not go over this at all.
He went so fast. Oh my gosh. he
Which
went
is so
fast.
dumb.
Would it be
It's
like
like you're just-
0.03? If you do like 0.509 minus 0.4855,
Should be
I-
0.0235.
Yeah, that's what I got.
235.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and that's the answer in the back of the book.
Okay, so that's how we
Wait,
do.
let me check the answer. Wait, okay. Oh. Let me scroll down.
So that's the margin of error that we just did.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So, 9.1. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. We got the correct answers.
Nice.
This is the answer for 13.
Okay.
Wow. Thank you, Alex. I was about to
Yeah.
use that complicated ass formula.
I know.
I was like, oh, we're missing one more thing.
Oh, okay.
Specified characteristic X. Okay, how do we find X?
P mat times N.
Wait, what? Sorry, what did you say? P hat times what?
Yeah, P hat times N. So it's just going to be 0.55
Oh,
times 68.
Like, where did you learn this? Because I don't remember learning this at all.
In the class. He went over this. Did he? I don't know.
I must have missed this entire thing.
He went so fast. He went so fast.
It's dumb. Like, you're going to cause your students to fail, you know? Like, that's so dumb.
wait, Alex, how did you do on the last test?
I got an 85. But my sister's taking the class with me, and we had the same answers, and she got an 88. So
See,
Wait, sorry, what did you say?
I got an 85, and my sister's taking it with me, and she
Uh-huh.
got an 88. But we had the same answers.
See, I don't agree with that. Like that's
Doesn't it?
Oh,
I've taken him before, and he doesn't really grade your exams or your homework.
what?
He just skims
Wait,
it.
what do you mean he doesn't grade your exam?
Yeah, he just skims it.
What?
yeah. Well,
Yeah.
I did not good, so that's not cool.
Yeah,
Like, I
'cause
feel
my
like-
sister, we had the exact same answers, and she got an 88, and then I got an 85, which made no sense.
Did she show more work than you?
No, we had the same exact work.
I would
So
have.
I'm confused.
Yeah, I would say something, but then it's like, well,
Yeah.
I know what you mean. It's like you want to say something, but it's like,
Because we had
But
the
it's
same.
like, okay,
Yes.
so you cheated from each other? Like what?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So she copied
Yeah.
my answers,
Yeah.
and I copied some of hers, and we still got different scores, which was
That's-
really weird. He did that. I took him last fall for just college algebra, and he would do the same thing.
oh my
And
Lord,
he
have
ended up
mercy.
passing everybody. I think he only failed one student because he didn't show up.
I could not take him for that.
Yeah,
That's
kudos
so
to you for taking
weird.
him twice. I can barely
Wait,
do it this one time.
okay, because So I did all this work for nothing. Like I can't comprehend what you just said. He doesn't grade the exams.
But what
No, if you didn't do the work, you wouldn't get it. He probably looked at yours and was like, she knows what she's doing.
Yeah, she's
Yeah,
good.
what does that even mean?
Give
Like,
her an
what is
A.
the criteria for knowing what you're doing?
Apparently your test.
looks at it,
'Cause
if
my-
you get it right, he gives you the points for it.
Okay, low key, I was about to text him and be like, why didn't I get 100 on this? But like now I'm not.
Answers, and I only messed up on one. I don't know what number it was, but
Did you mess up on your work? Like, did you get the correct answer, but your work
no, for
like
one of
didn't
them,
show it?
I did miss like 10 points because it was completely wrong. But I
Oh,
don't know where I missed the other 5 points. at.
yeah, but if you
That's
show
my
work,
thing. Like he
so
doesn't
he said
even.
if you show work,
He
so
gives
he
you
said
credit.
out of a 5-point problem, if you show work but get the wrong answer, like
You
if you
should at
plug
least
the
get
correct
4.
numbers in.
Yeah, he at
So-
least gives you partial credit or all the credit if it's wrong, but you show your work.
But how come you didn't get partial credit?
I don't know. I don't even know which one he did.
And that's my thing. Like he didn't even go over tests, so it's like, well, okay, that's great. I
It's
fucked
because he
up, but
doesn't
you're
have
not even
time.
gonna. You're not even gonna
If he goes
explain
over the
like how I
test,
fucked
he
up.
needs like at least a whole
Mhm.
day.
I feel like he did not plan this accordingly.
Yeah.
He put the answers up like in the file section of test 1. Like he put a file and the answers up, but that doesn't help me,
Yeah,
you know?
yeah, you need
Yeah, because
I'm
you
like-
need someone to like walk you through your mistakes, like
Like yeah,
personally.
we just need to get 2 good scores on our tests. Just 2. Just 2.
Honestly, just one. He said if your final, because your final is cumulative, right? So we'll need to go over test 1 and test 2 before the final.
But if we get good scores on the other 2 tests and do bad on the final, will he just drop the final score?
no, he said he doesn't drop
No.
What an ass.
You'll
God.
be fine.
Everyone's gonna pass. He doesn't fail anyone.
Okay. Well, see
Yeah,
you for
especially
degrees, you
now.
guys.
I don't
so,
think I don't think he's gonna fail anyone necessarily.
like
Yeah.
we went from doing this in 18 weeks to 6. Like, you know,
Yeah.
I feel like there should be some leeway.
Yeah.
Wait, was it 18 weeks or 12?
No,
18.
it's like 18 weeks a normal semester.
Yeah.
No way. So this is 3 times harder?
Yup.
3 times the speed.
Oh wow.
Guys, it's fine. C is for degrees. Let's.
No. Oh my gosh. No.
At this point, I just
Marina's
need
like
to
by
pass.
4.0.
Yeah.
Yes, honestly. Like you said he doesn't grade the oh my gosh, I just got so angry. He doesn't grade the exams.
I genuinely
What is that supposed to mean?
all the scores are different. Did you guys all pass?
I passed.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, I passed. I got a 98. But I spent 3 hours on that thing. So
Yeah,
I
dude.
expected a perfect score, honestly. And
Did
it might sound petty, but like I don't even know why I got things wrong. Like, why would he take 2 points off? That means that it was a really small error.
Yeah. I got
And
a
you
94.
just said he doesn't grade the exam. So I was like, okay, where are my 2 points?
Yeah, I got a 94 and I really don't know how.
So are you satisfied with your score or are you dissatisfied?
No, I spent like the whole damn time doing it.
Exactly, right? That's what I'm saying. It's like if you're gonna take off points but still give us A's, like at least tell us what we did wrong.
Exactly.
My philosophy professor commented on every single person's paper. It's like if he can do that, then you can do better.
I mean, let's be real, guys. He doesn't even answer his phone. Like, what? There's not much more we can expect.
Is that this isn't his full-time job because he would tell us that he's like an engineer during the
Oh,
day.
What?
jeez.
So this is like his like side hustle.
Oh my God. Jesus.
Oh, so get a side job teaching students
I remember.
and actually not caring.
Well, yeah, I don't know. I took him because I know I was gonna pass. Pass,
Fair
so-
enough. Okay, I guess
Okay.
we should maybe move on to 15 now.
The last answer, the
Oh,
last part of it, what did
Yeah.
you get? Because it doesn't match the back of the book.
So it's
816.
815.64, and then you just round it to 816.
yeah,
Okay.
because you need. So why do you round?
Wait,
Because
what?
it's like what?
Wait, what did you guys do for X?
So for X here, let me do it again.
You did P hat times 10, right?
No,
Yes,
no, no.
Okay. No.
For X, we do P hat times N.
And I heard 10.
Oh,
Okay.
that's really bad. Okay.
Okay, I
Yeah,
was like,
don't.
why? Okay. So we're just gonna go point.
So you get 0.4855 times 1680. I got that from here. And you get
Oh my God. I was
815.
hearing the incorrect. Wait. No wonder. I was hearing the incorrect numbers. I was like, mine's not matching. That
Wait,
makes sense.
can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Now I can. Yes, I had to bring it in a little.
Oh.
There we go. I
You can
couldn't
also,
see.
if you don't like how zoomed in I am, you can adjust the zoom ratio if you want.
Okay.
Really?
Yeah. If you click like where is it?
Oh, that's pretty cool.
What the heck? Where are my meeting settings? Okay, I guess I'll ignore it then.
I'm just playing around with this now.
So it's 815.6, right?
Yeah. Okay. That makes sense. I
And
had the
then
wrong
you-
number.
Yeah, and then you want to round just because you're counting people, you know?
Yeah.
Like,
You don't get 0.64 of a person.
Yeah.
I mean, you're a nurse, you know better than me.
How do I count that on you? Okay. All right. So, okay. Well, now I'm scared because I didn't do very well on his test. I missed a few stupid things, but I missed
I
like a whole
honestly-
problem.
Like, I wish Shelly was here. she
Oh
would
my
like
gosh.
she would get so angry once she hears that he doesn't
Shut-
grade the exam.
She's gonna be so angry.
I know. I was like, don't tell Shelly. Just let her take her exam in peace.
Yeah, for real. Well, she's gonna watch this anyway, so good luck. Shelly,
Yeah.
we love you. We're all suffering too.
I love how this is being recorded. Like,
Yeah. Oh gosh.
You're doing great, guys. All right, next question. What are we doing?
okay,
17.
15.
15.
15? I thought that was 15.
No,
No,
that
that
was
was-
9. That was 13.
13.
Lord.
And he likes to use the same numbers every chapter. I'm like,
What do you
He
mean?
really does.
Oh,
like in the same.
I honestly think that's a coincidence. Or you know what? He doesn't grade the exams. He might not.
He just copies and pastes everything.
Just like selects the numbers out of a hat. Like, okay, for this chapter, you're gonna do problem number 49.
And you're like, wait, we didn't even go over that.
Okay,
Okay.
construct a confidence interval. So first, we need to find, so for the confidence interval, we need a lot of things. We need p hat. We need margin of error. We already have x. Okay. So what's the first step of constructing a confidence interval?
You need to find
Yeah.
p hat.
And we said we found p hat just using,
X over N.
This one, you
yeah.
do x over n.
Oh, that's 1/5. So is that 0.2?
Yes.
Wait, it's 30 over 150 though, no?
Yeah.
Forgot
Okay.
the one. Okay, we found p hat. Next is, oh wait, we don't need the margin of error, do we? I don't think we do.
Yeah, towards the like very end though, I think.
Oh,
I think.
wait, guys, we have to practice using, okay, no, we did not start out correctly. I'm not gonna erase this, but there was a step we were supposed to do before that. And that's
Okay.
checking that,
It's greater than 10.
so n is greater than 0.5,
Okay.
0.05. Less than 0.05. Oh my gosh. Just watch my screen because apparently I can't speak. So this means that 150, whatever 150 we're testing, is less than 0.5 of the 0.05 of the population. And then NP,
I'm sorry, what was the population?
they don't tell you, but
So
like
you
that's
just
yeah,
you
that's just a good step to have, like as a verification.
okay. Okay.
Wait, was it NP times 1 minus P?
Yeah.
So
So P would be 0.9. Is that P?
yeah, so this will equal 150 times 0.2.
Oh. So you
times
would have to
0.2.
get that first if you didn't know it.
Yeah,
Okay.
but I'm saying like we should always like the things in red should be like on top, like on your paper, so that
Okay.
he knows like the logical process of your thinking, you know?
Yeah.
And this is greater than 10, like without even. Okay.
Where did you get the 0.8?
Because it's 1 minus P, so 1 minute. Oh,
I feel like the
okay.
first rule is kind of stupid because anytime you times N times 0.05, like of course it's going to be, oh, but that's supposed to be bigger. I don't know. I just feel like it's kind of redundant.
Wait 1 minute. Alex, do you get that?
Because I did n p hat parentheses 1 minus p hat, and I got 24 is greater or less than, no, greater or equal to 10. I got 24.
You got 24.
Yeah. Because I did 150 times 0.20 times 1 minus 0.20.
Yeah, and 1 minus 0.20 is 0.8.
Oh, okay.
See, I drew an arrow over here. I don't know if you can see it.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that makes sense because we know that 0.2 times 150 is 30. So 0.8 times 30 is 24. So that makes sense. So 24 is greater than or equal to 10. Okay. So then what's the next step?
You have to find that. You have to do 1 minus 90. 1 minus 0.90. I don't know what it's called.
The
A little-
confidence level.
Yeah. You should get 0.1.
Okay.
Okay, what's the next step?
And then you do 0.1 divided by 2, and you're going to get 0.05.
That's the margin of error?
Yeah.
What's the formula for that? I remember him doing it, but
So the formula, if you want to write a formula,
yeah,
you could
just
say 1 minus,
mm-hmm.
oh, actually, no. 1 minute. 1 minus confidence level
Okay.
all over 2. Okay, so now what's our final answer?
And then you should, from that 0.05, you should get 1.645 from your table.
Yeah, those were some of the ones that he gave us.
On what page is that?
Oh,
That was just what, when he wrote down the notes, he was like, these are the confidence intervals that you guys are going to use. And then he gave us the area of each tail and then the critical value. I think he said it was like the 4th page from the back.
Okay.
No, this one is on one of the examples.
oh yeah, it's a page.
Which one? Is that it?
So
Yeah.
yes. Mm-hmm.
Great. Oh,
So then you just take
this is the critical value. Okay, so it's not the z-score, guys.
no.
The critical value is also denoted by z.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Because someone, I don't know who, but someone said it was the z-score. And I was like, that doesn't sound right. Okay, so it's 1.645 because our confidence level was 0.9.
Yeah.
So let's go over. Okay. So z, oh, I'm not writing.
So we don't have to do anything. We just look it up and literally put
Yep.
that answer.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Z equals 1.645. Okay. And then what?
And then that's when we find upper bound and lower bound.
You just plug
Okay.
everything back in.
So wait,
So how would you do that?
so upper bound's going to be P plus Z A over 2.
P hat.
Yeah, P hat plus ZA over 2 times the square root of P hat times 1 minus P hat over N. And then lower bound's the same thing, it's just minus. So p hat minus c a over 2.
Wait, the square root of what?
P hat times 1 minus p hat over n.
Okay.
So it's going to be 0.2 plus 1.645 times the square root of 0.2 times 0.8 over 150.
Guys, I wrote the formula wrong. Sorry. Isn't it p hat times critical value minus the square root?
For the lower bound?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
Because
No, it's
No.
you're multiplying that. So here, can you
so
see
what's
my-
added?
can you see
Oh,
my
it's the
thing?
critical value times the square root.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's where I got stuck. So when you get the, I don't know what it is, the Z8 alpha 2, do you get that from the chart?
Yeah, he gave us like 3 sets. He gave us 90% level of confidence, 95%, and then 99%. And then he gave us the area of each tail, and then he gave us the critical value of each.
So we're just grabbing the chart, plugging that number in.
Yes.
Sorry, my brain is slow today.
You're
No,
good.
it's okay.
Because I started to do it, but then I was getting confused.
It's honestly just hard for me to remember like which formula to use when, because
Yes.
there's so many different variations.
Yes. I can't find my paper. And this
So
is
for-
just one long problem. Okay. 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 So it's the 1.645 that gets plugged in.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Sorry, guys, 1 second. I need to answer an important email.
So did you guys finish all the homework?
Nope.
Haven't started.
Yeah, I got all the way up to chapter 7, then I was, or 7.4, and then I was like, all right, I think I'm done. I mean, apparently he doesn't
I'll
grade it
start
anyway,
tonight.
so it doesn't matter.
I'm
Yeah,
not
no.
like I am not procrastinating, but I seriously had 2 consecutive finals like on Thursday and Friday.
Damn, dude.
No, that's a lot.
I have a speech that's due tomorrow, and I haven't even started.
Ooh. For what class? What class is that?
Speech.
Oh,
Communication.
how strange.
Do you guys have to do a speech like on Zoom? You do all your
Oh.
speeches?
No, I have to like record it and put it up, so it's not as bad, but it's
Oh,
like
okay.
supposed to be like I think it's like 6 to 8 minute speech. And I'm
Oh.
gonna do it about like harsher motorcycle laws, I guess. I don't know.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
Like it was gonna start off with like just being helmets, but I feel like the issue isn't just like helmets. So
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. We'll
that's
see.
really interesting.
It's a touchy subject for
I
me, so
heard
it's gonna
like
be
both
hard.
sides of that speech or both sides of that debate.
Yeah. Well, yeah. We'll see.
So I don't know if you did this in AP Stats, Steph, but at the end of the problem, like when we get the upper bound and the lower bound, we would say, I am 90% confident that,
Yeah. Uh-huh.
yeah,
Yeah,
I am
do the same
90%
thing.
confident. Oh, but we would get like a context, you know?
Yeah.
We would get like a big old word problem. But here, I don't know if, like what we're comparing, like humans or what.
Yeah.
So I guess we should just leave it at that. Like after you get the final answer.
Yeah. I got 0.146 for the lower bound and then 0.254 for the upper bound.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, I got that. Oh,
You got, I'm sorry, can you repeat what you got?
For upper bound, it's 0.254, and then for lower bound, it's 0.146.
See, I'm not getting that. I don't know what I'm doing wrong.
You're doing 0.2 for upper bound. You're doing 0.2 plus 1.645, and then after you do the square root of all that stuff, it's times 0.0326. And then for lower bound, you're just going to do 0.2 minus 1.645 times 0.0326. Because the 0.0326 is what you're going to get from the square root of 0.2 times 0.8 over 150. Oh, so much math.
I'm super lost.
so okay, Beth, where are you lost?
Hold on, let me erase this. Okay, sorry, you guys just go fast.
Okay, you don't need. Okay, do you just get the concept? Like you don't necessarily need to plug everything into your calculator because people plug it in differently, you know. So as long as you get the correct answer, that's fine, you know. But if you get lost on the concept or like on the mathematical calculation, like so upper bound, how do you calculate the upper bound of the confidence interval? You do p hat, which is 0.2 plus z, which we already know is 1.645 multiplied by the square root of p hat times 1 minus p hat over n. What does that mean? The square root of 0.2 times 0.8 over 150. And then for lower bound, the only difference is that it's p hat minus all of that, okay? Minus the critical value times the square root of p hat times 1 minus p hat over n.
I get that. I mean, I get the concept, but when I calculate it, I don't get the answer.
So what did you get?
Well, I just erased it. I got a different number. So I don't know. I guess I'm doing the order of operations incorrect.
Possibly.
Sorry, guys.
No, you're fine. Take your time. So personally, the way I would do it is I would calculate like 0.2 times 0.8 over 150, square root of that, and then multiply that by 1.645. So I would know like what to add and what to subtract from p hat. That makes it a lot easier if you know what this is, you know, if you know what this portion, oh God. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Did not mean to erase.
Marina. Oh God. You're hilarious.
You know,
Okay, now tell me your answer again. Tell me your answer again.
For
upper bound?
upper bound, it's 0.254. For lower bound, it's 0.146.
No, I'm still getting it wrong. I got 1.472.
It might just be like the way that you're rounding stuff. I don't.
are you rounding at all?
So what you should be
Like, I don't think you should round very much. I think you should keep like as many decimal places as possible.
for when you're multiplying for your final answer, your equation should be 0.2 plus 1.645 times 0.0326. So just do the 1.645 times 0.0326 and then just add the 0.2.
You know what? Let's move this to like the other whiteboard. I think that would be better. Okay, so for the upper bound, Beth, this is what I would plug into my calculator. Okay, you can. It's better if you do it like. Oh, where is Beth?
Oh no.
I think her internet is like lagging or something.
That's Spectrum, man. You gotta get that Spectrum. And see, we
Kelly
need Shelly.
convinced you already.
We need her marketing skills.
I'll just plug it in for when she gets back, I guess.
Hello.
Hello, there you are.
Sorry. Yeah, my stupid Wi-Fi. I don't know. Sorry. Okay, tell me
Okay.
like I'm 5. Tell
Look.
me how to calculate it like I'm 5.
On 5?
No. Like I'm 5 years old. Step by
What?
step. Because I'm not getting the same answers.
So look, Beth, what's p hat?
P hat is 0.2.
Right. Okay. Plus, what's the critical value?
1.645.
Multiplied by the square root of.
Am I inputting this all in the calculator at once, or do I do it?
I did.
I think you should do it at once, honestly.
Okay. Well, all right then.
Just try. Yeah. Okay. So we still didn't finish the formula. What's p times 1 minus p?
It's 0.28 times 0.8.
What?
Well, I haven't got that far. So
Wait,
0.
p hat times 1 minus p hat. Do you understand what I'm talking about?
Yeah, I just like,
So do you see what I have on the screen in red below?
yes.
Yeah.
0.8. Yeah.
So, okay. So do you understand where those numbers came from?
Yes, I do. I understand where all the numbers came from. Oh shoot. Okay. Divided by. Okay, so the answer is 0.0492 is what I get. And then you square that.
Why square it?
No, you don't
Oh.
square it.
Oh my gosh. Okay, but is that the answer?
Wait, so what did you, so, okay, for the red part, what did you get?
0.00492.
Is that for the whole thing?
Yeah,
Oh, are you sure you're putting your parentheses correctly?
probably not.
Oh, I found it.
I'm sorry. Okay,
No, you're
let's try
good.
it again.
It's okay.
1.845.
We are all in this together. It is a-okay.
So try like adding as many parentheses as I have like on the screen. So always, okay, you know what?
Yes.
Adding more parentheses is better than adding less.
Okay.
You know?
True. Oh, Lord.
Do I need a parentheses after 150 or just enter?
After 150, you do.
You do. Okay. Okay, so I got 0.060257.
No.
No?
Yeah, that's not correct either.
Just
Okay.
take one part at a time. So first do 0.2 times 0.8 over 150. And then find the
Oh.
square root of that and then write that down.
Okay, okay.
And then once you found that, you should have gotten, actually, I don't know. So 0.2 times 0.8 over 150, and then find the square root of that. And you should get 0.0326.
What did you get for the green highlighted part, Beth? Can you do the green highlighted only?
Okay.
Because I don't have a calculator that I can like just plug this whole formula in. So I
So
have
you
to do
know
it like
what?
part by part.
Even if I do it like on my iPhone calculator, it's 0.2 times 0.8. That's 0.16 over
Yeah,
150.
150.
That's 0.001. Okay, I'll square root that. 1 second. That's 0.0326. Did you get that?
Okay, hold on. How do I can square root it? No, that gives me an error. So after I get 0.16 over 150, I get 0.010666667.
Yeah.
But then I have to square root that, right?
Yeah, so square root answer.
I get 0.032659.
Yes. Okay, and then multiply that by,
Oh, good freaking God. Okay.
okay, multiply this number that I'm going to highlight in yellow times the other number I'm going to highlight in yellow. That's the critical value.
Okay. Okay. I get 0.05372.
Yes, that sounds correct. 0.05372. 5, 3,
2.
7, 2,
Or
4, 1. Okay. And then we're gonna take our upper bound. Oh, that's wrong. That should be a minus. Okay. We should take our upper bound, okay, and
Mhm.
subtract it from this number, or add it by this number. So do 0.05 times or plus 0.2.
And that's 0.25.
Yes. So that's the upper bound. You got that correct.
That whole thing is the upper bound?
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
So wait 1 second, sorry. So this equals 0.25. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And then since you know, so you see everything on the bottom right here,
Yeah.
that's in a blue square.
Mm-hmm.
That number 0.05, that's still the same. The only difference is that for the lower bound, you're going to subtract that number from 0.2.
Okay. And that's 0.3372.
Wait, Alex, did you get 0.146?
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay,
God.
so no, Beth. That's
Okay.
so you just have to do 0.2. So for the upper bound, you just have to
Uh-huh.
do 0.2 minus 0.05.
Oh, wait. I'm doing. Okay, say that again. I couldn't hear what you said. It's kind of echoing and it's loud.
Okay. So do you see what I wrote in blue over here?
In red?
No,
Oh,
in
yes.
blue.
Yes. What you highlighted.
0.2 minus 0.0537241.
Okay. And then you get 0.14629.
Yeah, just about. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Yeah, you got it. So that's our confidence interval.
Okay.
So this is our confidence interval. There are many ways to write this, but I like writing out a sentence, you know. So
We're 90% confident that, I don't know, because they didn't give us
yeah,
exact like parameters, I would just be like the results will be between
yeah, that's
146 and 1.254.
yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, that's what your answers should look like, Beth.
Okay. I think I just need to continue to like practice the calculation that
Yeah.
is screwing me up. Okay. I don't know if 17 is the same.
Guys, I actually have to go,
Okay.
but you can still, so I'll leave the meeting. I'll leave the meeting, but I'll assign someone else as host if that works for you guys. And then you can continue to work on problems. Like, I don't have to end the meeting.
I don't know what everybody else has planned. Did you guys do 17?
No, I haven't started it yet. I can stay on and do it with you.
It was 15,
Okay.
and then we have to do 25.
I think 17 was assigned online, no?
17 is for the study guide, yeah.
Yeah, 17 is
Oh.
the study guide. 13 and 17 were for the study guide. That's why I was trying to do them, because he was picking those for the test. I don't know if they'll both be on, but at least,
Yeah.
yeah, you know what I'm saying? And
Yeah.
this 15 is 90.
17 is the same type of problem.
Yeah. So, I mean,
So you did you already did 15, so you know how to do it in general.
mhm.
Yeah, we can still go over it though.
Yeah, no, I'm saying you can still go over it, but like it would be smarter to go over another type of problem.
And then, well, what do we have for 9.2? We have 13 and 17 as well.
Yeah.
Oh, no, I'm sorry. 13 and 15 is for 9.1. And then 13 and 17 are 9.2. So if you want to go over,
Do you want to do 15?
13 and 17, right? For 9.2?
Yeah. 9.2, I got 13, 17. Is it 15?
No, it's 13 and 17 for 9.
13. Yeah, we could do 9.2 because I don't know.
Okay, so I'll just assign 1 minute. So Steph, you're host. So now you can assign everyone else like as co-host if you want. But I'll leave the meeting right now. Sorry guys.
It's okay.